Hey, it's me again, your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. Y'all, look what I got. I got the tumbler. Let's open it up. I've been seeing this tumbler all over TikTok. It's the Meoky 40-ounce tumbler with handle GP. It holds 40 ounces or 1,182 milliliters. I love the box. Y'all know I love green, blue, and purples, so that's perfect. Comes with a thank you card in the box and cool straw. Excited. And that's it. Look how pretty it is. I love that. Now this one boasts that it will hold your ice and fluids without spilling. And I think I see why it can boast that, because it has this cool lip thing there. That's cool. Okay, let me go get some icy stuff. Right back. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put that in the fridge now. I just love the color. It's so pretty, y'all. Get some ice. Oh, welcome to my kitchen. Ice in there. Halfway of ice. Not even halfway, just up to this line. Give me some juice. I'm just gonna do some juice, not to advertise for somebody. It's one of my favorite juices. White cranberry. Fill it all the way up. Man, that's like almost the whole bottle. The kids ain't gonna have no juice. All right. So I guess we put this on. Poke it. So good. All right. It's leaking a little bit from the side. Okay. Oh. Okay, so the cup does work. This is the cup by Meoky. I love it. The cup itself is beautiful, y'all. It has like a slight sparkle to it as well. It keeps your beverage cold for hours. I tested it out for a couple of days, and I kept icing it overnight, and it was still icing it when I woke up in the morning. Beautiful cup, holds liquids, won't spill as long as you got the straw out of it. So highly suggest it. It's linked in my shopping cart below. This has been Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.